welcome in this video, all of you. So in this video, I will show you a small project which one I just made on inventory management. So in this video, I will show some functionality which is made by me. So the first one functionality is a registration page and login page, and do the registration with the help of the OTP verification, which one I will receive on my mail. So I will show you. Okay. So let's start. So first I will to run my this project. Okay, I will going to run now. My backend and frontend both are connected. So I just open this localhost. So see, you can see that the interface. You can see the interface of the my page. It's home and register login, and this is the interface of the my home page. So I will click on here on register. So I will enter here details. So for example, I will going to use my name Ashutosh, and I will going to enter my email ID because I will going to receive the OTP verification. OTP I will receive on this mail. So this I will going to enter my email ID, and I will take the password. I will take the random password. Okay, once I just click on register, so I will get a pop-up. See, so the receive the pop-up message OTP has sent your emails. So I simply click the OK and going to open my email. So I'm just going through my email to check and receive the message or not related to OTP. Okay. So now see, you can see there. So welcome inventory world OTP verification kind of like email I received. And there is the OTP is also there. So I will just copy this OTP and just go in my website and just to paste here and click to verify OTP. Once I have verified the OTP, because this is the wrong one, sorry, because earlier I also sent it. So this is the another new one, the current one. And even I can also see in my code the current OTP is this one, 6700. Okay. So I will going to paste it simply and click on verify OTP. Once I verify that user has been registered, kind of pop-up message is there. So it means in my database the data related of registration has been created. So I will going to see in my database which one I'm using MongoDB. Once I refresh this one, so here you can see there. So my registration things has been done. Now it's time of to log in. For login, I will go against on my the website which was created. So enter my the login credentials. Push p887 the rate gmail.com. I will going to check my password. What password I use is 123 is my password. 123. Once I click it here, it's going to login. See, so this is the after the login. So here is a create item kind of like components I just created, and through this components I will create of any of items in my this small websites, and even also the update the quantity. If any item has been created from this components, I will going to update quantity. Here the drop down is there. See? So this is small functionality which one has made that, and even the logout functionality is also there. Once I click on the logout, so I will go to again on the home page and where is the register login page is in. So this is the small projects related to a login and registers. And even I'm also using the JW token in this my functionality of the register and login. So thank you.